And the race is on. Big Bang, Trinity Moon, Music King, Dream Supreme in the middle, down on the inside is Gypsy Gray, Mega Max, Yote Digo, and Mooney Money is the early trainer by about 5 or 6 lengths of the leader. Trinity Moon by a length and a half, followed by Music King. Dream Supreme racing third by the rally's Mega Max as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Trinity Moon by a length and a half, followed by Music King. Dream Supreme racing in third, running by the rally's Mega Max. Running in fifth by some 2 lengths, Gypsy Gray, Yote Digo in the middle, Mooney Money. Big Bang 4A is now running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Trinity Moon by some 3 lengths, followed by Music King and Mega Max down on the inside. Dream Supreme, Mooney Money, Gypsy Gray, Yote Digo, and 4A Big Bang is still in behind them. Trinity Moon still leading by some 2 lengths. Music King from the outside and Mega Max as the action swing towards the long, nice stretch run with Trinity Moon is still leading by some 2 lengths. Mega Max now running in second, Mooney Money, entering the last 100 meters more to run. Trinity Moon, Mega Max, Mooney Money, and Dream Supreme, and finally Trinity Moon. Mega Max, Mooney Money, Dream Supreme, Music King for a Big Bang, Gypsy Gray, and Yote Digo comes last.